Are lead code style questions dead after the advent of AI? Let's talk about it. So it will be very difficult now for any company to actually justify why they want to even ask these kind of questions. Personally, I was never a fan of these kind of questions because I think too many people just ratify all these answers without understanding much, without having deep understanding the of the systems, and it really doesn't translate well in what the real work is, what the real job is. So I never really understood the point of asking those lead code style of questions, but they were very popular in companies like Meta, Google, and Netflix, and all those companies, all those very big huge companies. And it makes sense for them because they always have surplus of talent that wants to work for them. And frankly, most companies are not in that position. Even now, even after advent of AI and all the job apocalypse and all those things, even now most companies are not in position of Google and Meta. They have a very unique position in the market. Not most companies cannot really compete with them. So the question is, does it make sense to still study lead code after the advent of AI? And that is really a tough question. And I think the answer to that question is pretty simple. If you really don't enjoy it, you don't need to dig deep. I think you just need to learn hash maps. If you are preparing for interviews after this AI thing, I think if you know hash maps really well, then, and of course still hash map, I mean, if you know arrays and hash maps really well, you're set. You'll be able to do most of the questions. And if you really want to do a bit more than two slide problems, that is okay, that is good. But it has gotten very tough for most interviewers to justify these kind of lead code questions. And chances are that if you are just giving interviews and you're not targeting Google and Meta, which I don't even know how much they are hiring now, the chances are that they are asked more in system designing, and they would really want to test you how you would do in a job. So they might even give you an AI agent and give you 15-20 minutes or 30 minutes, build something and test it out. So they would want to see your approach, and are you able to handle the edge cases and all those things, and how fast you are able to come up with solution. So I think this is what the interview scenario looks like after the advent of AI. Less lead code, more systems and more system designing. So yeah, this is what it has come to. So yeah, follow me, like, comment, subscribe, and let's talk. What is your experience with interviews right now? How is the market? Goodbye.